I reckon my fart's gonna sound like this. Guys, we're at 4K, baby. Do you know what that means for us? That means farts are changing the world. I want to be inspired. I want to inspire you all to release that gas. Let it go. Let it be free. Also, today's outfit inspo is a cow grazing the pastures. Thanks. Guess the sound of my fart before I fart. Pretty close.
Turn around. Now and then I get a little bit lonely and you're never coming round. Every now and then I get a little bit tired of this.
Snap, crackle, burp.
Did you hear that? My cat's around here somewhere. Just saying.
Do I wear thongs because they're comfortable? No. Because I don't want my underwear line to show? No. I wear them for one reason and one reason only. So you rip a loud, nasty fart, right? And before it comes out of your butthole, it makes a very loud explosion. The thong is there to cut the fart in half, therefore making it silent. Silent but deadly is the way to get them. That's why I personally love myself a good thong.
So all morning I've been farting. Literally all day farting, actually. And now I'm constipated. How does this even make sense?
Okay, so everybody wants to see this, so I'm going to do a rating my farts video. Disgusting. Oh, silly. No, she...
Captured and he was in a prison camp.
Did you feel that? So we're maybe like 2 minutes away from my house, and at this point I'm like, fuck, I have to fart now. Like, there's no way that I can't fucking hold in this fart. Like, this fart is gonna fucking come and blow the pig's house down. So I was like, dude, please just leave my side. At this point, my house is right there. I could literally see it. Just go home. He's like, no, I want to make sure you get home. I'm like, no, just go home. So like, as he's about to turn around and start leaving, I start farting. But the fart isn't a fart. It's just like a mother load of feces. And thankfully he starts running home as it's happening, but literally I shit myself so much where it doesn't just stay in my panties. That fucking shit like goes down my leg, and I'm wearing leggings. And at this point I'm just standing in the rain, soaking wet, fucking soft shit running down my leg. But yeah.
Sarah.
I literally hate when I fart and someone asks me if I farted. Like, if you heard it and you smell it, why are you asking? That's so annoying and disrespectful. Seriously.
Come on, bro. I'm trying to watch a fucking movie. Fuck.
Wasn't me. Must have been the cat. Ruby, is that you?
That was real.
All anybody wants me to do on this app is that. That's it. And then I get views. I'm sitting here thinking how you all love farting. And it's not really cool, but I guess whatever gets views.
Where'd the bubble go? Oh, that's all it was? Did you see that? You know what? It might not be a fart. It might be a turd. What? Oh my gosh, that was so peony.
Ready, Freddy? I thought you screamed. Oh my God. Perfect. I thought you went. I was definitely up your butt. Alright. I got fart again. Let it go.